Welcome back to Digital Cars Info, your trusted source for the latest and most accurate automotive updates. Today, we're diving into all the officially confirmed details of the 2026 Peugeot 508, a sedan that is making headlines with its extensive upgrades in design, technology, and performance. According to the latest updates directly from Peugeot, the 2026 model has undergone significant improvements that enhance both its driving experience and overall appeal compared to its predecessor. According to Peugeot, the 2026 508 introduces a more dynamic and refined exterior design. The front fascia has been completely redesigned with a sharper, more aggressive look. It now features the latest version of Peugeot's signature grille, seamlessly blending into sleeker, full LED matrix headlamps. The new lighting setup not only offers improved visibility but also enhances the car's visual identity. At the rear, the 2026 model showcases a more streamlined design with updated LED taillights and a new bumper layout, contributing to a wider and sportier stance on the road. Peugeot has confirmed that the 2026 508 is built on an improved version of the EMP2 platform, ensuring better rigidity and handling. The aerodynamic improvements, such as a lower drag coefficient and more efficient airflow management, also contribute to enhanced stability and fuel efficiency. In terms of dimensions, the new model retains its sleek fastback silhouette but offers a slightly longer wheelbase, translating to more cabin space and improved comfort for rear passengers. Under the hood, the 2026 Peugeot 508 brings significant performance enhancements. According to official updates, the latest model now comes with a new generation 1.6-liter PureTech turbocharged petrol engine, paired with a refined 8-speed automatic transmission. This upgraded engine delivers a peak output of 225 horsepower, an increase from the previous model's 180 horsepower. Torque delivery has also been optimized, ensuring quicker acceleration and a more engaging driving experience. This enhancement results in a noticeable improvement in 0 to 100 km/h performance, with the new model achieving it in just under 7.5 seconds, outperforming the outgoing version. Additionally, Peugeot has expanded the plug-in hybrid lineup for the 508. The new 2026 model now offers a hybrid 180 and a hybrid 225 version, both equipped with an 81 kilowatts electric motor and a 12.4 kilowatt-hour battery. These plug-in hybrid variants provide an all-electric range of up to 65 kilometers under WLTP standards. According to Peugeot, the hybrid system has been optimized for smoother transitions between petrol and electric power, ensuring a seamless and fuel-efficient drive, especially in urban environments. Moving inside, the interior of the 2026 Peugeot 508 has received significant upgrades focused on technology, comfort, and quality. The latest i-Cockpit setup now includes a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a new 10-inch high-definition touchscreen infotainment system, both running on Peugeot's updated interface. The system offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with real-time navigation and voice-activated controls. According to the brand, the revised layout and software ensure faster response times and an intuitive user experience. Peugeot has also improved the material quality and ergonomics throughout the cabin. The 2026 508 features new premium upholstery options, ambient lighting, and enhanced sound insulation. The seats have been redesigned for better support, especially on long drives, and now come with optional massage functions and heating for both front occupants. The rear seats also benefit from better cushioning and increased legroom due to the extended wheelbase. In terms of safety, the 2026 model is equipped with the latest generation of Peugeot's advanced driver assistance systems. These include adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a new night vision system. Peugeot has emphasized that these systems have been fine-tuned for improved accuracy and reliability, offering a higher level of confidence and convenience during every journey. According to the latest update, the 2026 Peugeot 508 will be available in several new exterior colors and alloy wheel designs, allowing for more personalization. The GT version, in particular, will come with exclusive styling elements such as blacked-out trim, sporty bumpers, and larger wheels. Peugeot has also announced that the new 508 will feature improved ride comfort thanks to a revised suspension setup, making it better suited for both urban and highway driving compared to the outgoing model. Peugeot has confirmed that the global rollout of the 2026 508 will begin in the second half of 2025, with European markets receiving the first batch. Pricing details have also been officially released, starting at approximately €43,000 for the base petrol variant. while the plug-in hybrid versions will start around Euro 47,500, depending on the chosen trim and options. So, there you have it, every officially confirmed detail about the 2026 Peugeot 508. With its upgraded engine, enhanced hybrid options, improved technology, and bold new design, this latest iteration clearly sets a higher benchmark than its predecessor. Thanks for watching Digital Cars Info. If you found this update helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any important automotive news. Stay tuned for more detailed updates on the latest car launches and innovations.